Good morning, students. You are welcome in State Lines Part 7. This is Chapter 10 and we are doing exercise 10.2. This is 11th question today. A line perpendicular to line joining the points 1, 0 and 2, 3 divides it in ratio 1:n. Find its equation. So, the given points are 1, 0 and 2, 3. Let these points are A, B. L is the required line. Required line is dividing AB in ratio 1:n. Let it is dividing at C. It means L is perpendicular to AB. Now we want to find equation of line L. So if AB is perpendicular to L, so it means we can find slope. So slope of AB, we will calculate slope of AB and we will find slope of L using AB. So slope of AB using 2-point form. So y2 minus y1. So this point is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. So y2 minus y1. And using that formula, it is 3 minus 0 upon 2 minus 1. And it is 3 after calculation. So let it is equal to m1. Let slope of required line is m2. And now the product of m1 and m2 will be minus 1 because these two lines are given perpendicular. So m1 is 3. Calculate value of m2. It will be minus 1 upon 3. Now we are given L divides AB in ratio 1:n. So we can use section formula. So use section formula to calculate the coordinates of C point. Here this is C point and L divides AB in ratio 1:n. So m1 m2, this is x1 y1, x2 y2, and we know section formula is y2 m1 y m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Similarly y coordinate. So you find out C coordinate using section formula, and this is x coordinate 1 into 2 plus n into 1 upon 1 plus n. Similarly y coordinate 1 into 3 plus n into 0 upon 1 plus n. After calculation, this is C coordinate. Now this is the point on the line L and this is the slope of L. So we can find equation using slope and point form of the line. So this is slope and point form. Y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1. This is x1 y1 and put the values here and calculate. So this is the required equation of line L. I hope it is clear. Now move on to question number next, which is 12. So this is 12th question. In this we are given find equation of a line cuts off equal intercepts on coordinate axis and passing through point 2, 3. So now we are given x intercept is equal to y intercept. So let these intercepts are equal to A. Because intercepts are given, so we will use intercept form of the line. Let intercept form of the line is x upon A plus y upon B is equal to 1, where A is x intercept and B is y intercept. Now you find equation. We have assumed A x intercept and y intercept, so put values here. So x upon A plus y upon A is equal to 1. It will be required equation. It passes through the point 2, 3. It passes through the point 2, 3. So it means this point will satisfy this equation, and it means we can replace x by 2 and y by 3. So both sides will be equal. So putting values and calculate A. So A is equal to 5. Now required line by putting A5 in this will be x upon 5 plus y upon 5 is equal to 1. So you can write this in simplified form. This is answer. Go on to question number 13. So the statement is find a line passing through 2, 2 and sum of intercepts on the axis is 9. So sum of intercept is given 9. Now let x intercept is A because sum is 9, so y intercept will be 9 minus A. Now we will use intercept form similar to previous question. So x upon x intercept A plus y upon 9 minus A is equal to 1. It passes through the point 2, 2. So it means this point will satisfy this equation. So replace x by 2 and y by 2. So find values of a, and you'll have two values because it is quadratic, and a is equal to 3 and a is equal to 6. By putting these values of a in this equation, we will have two answers and both will be correct. So I hope you can solve this question. Now move on to next question, which is 15. So in this question, the statement is perpendicular from the origin meets a line at -2, 9. Find the equation. Now required line, let it is L. This is L line. Perpendicular from origin is intersecting the line, meets the line at -2, 9. OA is perpendicular to L, mean this angle is 90 degree. So because these two lines are perpendicular, so therefore product of their slopes will be -1. So slope of OA into slope of L is equal to -1. Slope of OA can be calculated using 2-point form. O is origin, the coordinates are 0, 0. Let it is x1, y1, it is x2, y2, so y2 minus y1, and you can use that method. Into slope of L, let it is m, we want to calculate, is equal to -1. Now calculate value of m from this, it is 2/9, and you use 1-point form of the line. This is slope and this is the point, and find an equation. So required equation, you can evaluate using the formula y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1, and the answer is 2x minus 9y plus 85 is equal to 0. I hope it is clear to you all. Now question number 16. In this question we are given L and C, they are related with the linear relation, and let the required relation is L is equal to A plus BC. Now let it is number 1 equation. We are given L 124.942, C is 20. So in this relation A and B are any real numbers. We want to calculate AB to find this relation. So you put the value of L and C, you will get an equation, and 124.942 is equal to A plus 20B, let it is second equation. Similarly, we are given in the statement when L is 125.134, C is 110. You put in this one and you'll get another equation, let it is number 3. Now solve second and third equation to find values of A and B. You can use the elimination method. So value of B, by direct subtracting, you will have 0.00213. By putting B in any one of these two, find value of A. It is 124.8994. You put these values of AB in first equation to get the answer, and required relation is L is equal to 124.8994 plus 0.00213 into C. This is answer, and that's all for today. Thank you.